Welcome to the latest exciting project from Schogini Toys, an automatic light kit designed to save electricity and spark your creativity. First, let's get started. Open the battery holder, insert 3 AA batteries, and switch it on. Voila! Your pre-wired DIY kit is ready for action. Now, try bringing your hand close to the light sensor. Watch as the LED lights up when you cover it. It's that simple and fun. But wait, there's more. You can extend the LED reach with the included jumper wires. Imagine integrating this outside a model house. It's a perfect, innovative addition to your next school science fair. Gear up to build your very own automatic light switch with this kit. It's not just about building a project. It's about igniting a passion for learning and having a blast while doing it. Stay tuned for more inventive projects from Schogini Toys. Together, let's keep building and learning amazing things.